just made a light bulb from plastic cups. Can you see this? Wow, steam rocks, right? You see it? Wow. Plastic cups. So first, the materials we need a plug. We need electric wire, a flexible wire will be very okay for this. A duct tape, a staple pin, lots of staple pins actually. You can use uhu gun, you can also use the glue gun. We also need a bulb, and we need some disposable plastic cups. You can actually get a small size or the big size, it's also the same thing, but the bigger your size, the less amount you will be needing for this very project. Right now, our tools. And so we need our scissors, a screwdriver. I have two right here with me. We need a stapler, and then a plier or cutter. And lastly, you need your glue gun. You can use that in place of the uhu gum if you have that. Right now, let's go. So first, you need to just get the cups and then get them out one by one and staple them together like this. So as you can see, I've just stapled the cups together and I used about 20 cups because of the size of my small cups. If you have a bigger size, you might have to use less cups than 20, but let's say between some 20 and 25 should do you for this very first phase. Now let's go on the next phase right now. And so that's how you just get to do it like that. You get to the third level this time. Okay, let's go ahead with the third level right now. Okay guys, as you can see, I've just tried to staple the cups up to this level and it has formed almost a half spherical shape. You can see right now. Don't mind about the colors, you can use different colors of cups, but ensure you use the same kind of size, okay? Now that's what you're going to see on the inside of the sphere. And I just want to do another small sphere, and so you can attach that one and close this one, and you have a complete sphere shape, okay? Let's go now. Okay, let's just try and make sure it's actually straight. Okay guys, as you can see, I've just done my first sphere right now. Now I just want to get to count the cups and how many we have on this flat surface, right? Let's count, let's go. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's up to about 18 of them. So you want to just do another flat circle that has 18 cups so we can actually get to do the cover of this sphere. Let's go now. Okay guys, I just did the other top right now, so now you just want to go ahead and get on the smaller sphere that will act as the cover of the bigger picture. Let's go ahead now and keep stapling. So from a sphere right now, a big sphere, a small. That's the very last one right there, you can see right now guys. Okay, and now the top sphere or the cover is almost good to go. We can just try and see if we can have another smaller one at our game. It's gonna go in through and then we're right there. Can you see that? Okay, and that's the cover for our sphere. Can you see that guys? So now you want to ensure that you just staple all the parts of it to ensure they're actually solid and strong, okay? Okay, you just staple the corners of each part that you think is not working so well. You want to staple those parts. You want to check very well and see that they're not so strong, so you can just hold them together. That's a perfect combination. Okay guys, as you can see, I've just done my sphere cover, and you just ensure it fits in tightly, fits in very well into it. You just check for the class it fits in, and if it doesn't fit, you can just add in some more cups again to ensure it fits in very well and perfectly well. Now that's it for our sphere, and our light is almost good to go. The next part we want to do right now is this: get our electrical connections going, right? And then now you need your wire, plug, okay, right now, your screwdriver, and the first thing you want to do is just try and connect the wires, the positive and negative terminals, to your plug. Okay, now I have a pin mounted plug this time. You might have 3, it's okay, but I have a 2-pin mounted plug this time. Let's go ahead and connect it right now. As you can see, I've already fixed my plugs right now. So next, now you want to just get the wires through the hole from the side like this, the other part of it here, and then on that point you're going to be fixing the bulbs, the wire. But first of all, I want to fix the lamp holder to the positive and negative terminals of the wire. Let's go now. Okay guys, we're set to connect a lamp holder, and the lamp holder actually holds the lamp bulb, alright? And you're gonna just try to get out the wires from in here, and then you connect the lamp holder. But first of all, let's open it up first. You can see we have 2 points right there. So we have the positive and then we have the negative terminals. Now you want to just connect one color to the other. We can take blue to be negative for now, and the brown to be positive. Now let's go now. So you can see I have 2 holes right there. You want to just open up the hole with a screwdriver. We have 2 terminals right there, like we said, one for positive and then one for negative. Okay, Okay, so now it's been connected right now, and ensure that it's screws actually well tight, okay, so it's firm and your wire doesn't get a drag out of the lamp holder while it's working right now. Okay, you want to screw it up like this. Wow, it's almost good to go. Okay, and next let's test our lamp bulb right now. So we're using pin bulbs, as you can see. Want to just insert it into the two holes like that. Can you see that? Okay, you can see those 2 points where we have the kind of the hangers or the holes. Now the points are going to go into that lamp holder like that, and then you just push and then you screw. Can you see that? Can we drag it out? You can see it's already firm right now. Now let's take it off this time again. Let's take it off right now. Let's see what happens. Okay, you have to turn it first before you take it off. Okay, now next you want to just hold on for the bulb right now. Let's let's go ahead and fix the bulb right now. It's okay. All right, now you want to just leave the bulb inside the sphere. Okay, yeah, inside the sphere like that. Oh yeah, it's almost good to go. Wow. Okay, want to leave it that way. Okay, and then you want to just cover up your sphere right now. You can just actually tie up the top right here, so it just stays put over there. You can just come and knot with it right here at the top. Okay, then guys, next you want to just try to tape up the wire on some part of the cup so it doesn't just get flowing up and down like that. So let's do that right now with duct tape. It's actually better using a duct tape, or if you have a glue gun, wow, that's perfect. But you can use a duct tape for this particular purpose. Let's go now. Okay guys, we've just done that right now. So next we're gonna just see how we can hook up this light bulb. You can see the beautiful one. We're gonna just try to cover up the bottom right now first of all, okay, the cap, and then you want to use a stapler to do that like this, okay. Okay guys, now right now you just want to cover up the cap right now, the sphere right now with the top, and then you can see, just ensure it's well aligned. If it's not aligned, you can just start to add some cups. If you have any holes or space in there, you have a cup, add a cup to them, and then you staple it with your pin, with your stapler, and then you're good to go. Okay guys, so we're set to test our lamp right now, our decorative electric lamp, as you can see. Now I'm going to just turn off the light right now, and then I'll switch on our own lamp, and let's see if it works. Wow, it's working! Can you see that? Wow! And that's how we just made ourselves an electric decorative lamp that you can use as a lamp in your house, in your bedroom, or in the sitting room. Ensure to send your pictures and your views of this very participation to our YouTube channels and our Facebook channels too. Thanks so much for being part of this. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.